Hey guys and girls, this week I'm gonna build a stop motion monster from an old clamp light. I had it lying around for a long time and it's bendable, it's flexible. It basically has all the properties you want from a stop motion armature. Because it's a little top heavy, I will strengthen the bottom a bit with tinfoil and some wire. Now, with a creature like this, that doesn't have legs or any own support to stand on, we need some kind of rig. I'm just gonna screw the lamp down on a piece of plywood. It's a little bit of a thicker plywood, which makes it kind of heavy, which is good for the stop motion rig, so it doesn't move around. For the jaw, I figured I'll use something called Bionicle, which is this subset of Legos, which are based on a ball and socket system. And they're cheap, they are dispensable, and I had some left lying around, so that's perfect. You can find polyurethane foam in some craft stores and hardware stores. My local hardware store had it in a mattress and upholstery section. I simply cut it with a razor blade to around half a centimeter thickness. I know professionals often use two-part silicones, but I found this silicone which is for sanitary use, and it already has a beige color, which I liked. But I want to give the skin a bit more definition color-wise. So I'm gonna add some green and yellow patches. Since nothing really sticks to silicone, I mixed some oil-based paint with some more silicone and just smeared that on top. Some red lacquer for the inside of the mouth. And pieces of a plastic fork become sharp little teeth. If you have any other fun ways with foam or wire or latex or household objects to do stop motion animation that you think nobody has thought of yet, I would love to hear about your approach in a comment. Please subscribe and see you next week. Goodbye.